everyone. Today we are going to discuss about monetary economics, class 12th, 5th chapter. The RBI headquarters is located at Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Bengaluru. The correct answer is Mumbai. Money is acceptable only when it has intrinsic value, constant in purchasing power, the most liquid of all assets needed for allocation of resources. The most liquid of all assets is the correct answer. Paper currency system is managed by the Central Monetary Authority, state government, central government, banks. Central Monetary Authority is the answer. The basic distinction between M1 and M2 is with regard to post office deposits, time deposits of banks, saving deposits of banks, currency. Time deposits of banks is the correct answer. Irving Fisher's quantity theory of money was popularized in 1908, 1910, 1911, 1914. 1911 is the correct answer. MV stands for demand for money, supply of legal tender money, supply of bank money, total supply of money. The correct answer is the supply of legal tender money. Inflation means prices are rising, prices are falling, value of money is increasing, prices are remaining the same. The correct answer, prices are rising. Dash inflation results in a series of depreciation of the value of money. Creeping, walking, running, hyper. The answer, hyperinflation. Dash inflation occurs when general prices of commodities increases due to increase in production costs such as wages and raw materials. Cost push, demand pull, running, galloping. Cost push is the correct answer. During inflation, who are the gainers? Debtors, creditors, wage and salary earners, government. Debtors are the gainers. Dash is a decrease in the rate of inflation. Disinflation, deflation, stagflation, depression. Disinflation is the correct answer. Stagflation combines the rate of inflation with stagnation, employment, output, price. Stagnation is the correct answer. The study of alternating fluctuations in activity is referred to in economics as boom, recession, recovery, trade cycle. Trade cycle. During depression, the level of economic activity becomes extremely high, bad, low, good, low. Money can be anything that is generally acceptable as a means of exchange and at the same time acts as a measure and a store of value. This definition was given by Crowther, A.C. Pehu, F.A. Walker, Francis Bacon. Crowther is the correct answer. Debit card is an example of currency, paper currency, plastic money, money. Plastic money is the correct answer. Fisher's quantity theory of money is based the essential function of money as measure of value, store of value, medium of exchange, standard of deferred payments. Medium of exchange is the answer. V in MV is equal to PT equation stands for volume of trade, velocity of circulation of money, volume of transaction, volume of bank and credit money. Velocity of circulation of money is the answer. When prices rise slowly, we call it galloping inflation, mild inflation, hyperinflation, deflation. Mild inflation is the correct answer. Dash inflation is in no way dangerous to the economy. Walking, running, creeping, galloping. Creeping inflation is in no way danger to the economy. Thank you very much for your listening.